How about a chocolate caramel hazelnut pie? What you see here is a pie that has Nutella. It's got marshmallows in there. It's got caramel on top. Those are Snickers, you guys. Snickers on this pie. And for the crust, there is a shortbread and pretzel kind of crust. So it's salty and sweet and just, this is just amazing. The closest thing I can think to compare it to is like a blizzard. Like you're going to eat ice cream, but you have a blizzard and it just ramps it up. Okay, that's what this pie is. It's in blizzard status of pies, okay? It's amazing. Now, I'm sharing this as part of the Pies of March collaboration hosted by Kettle Kitchen and Leanne over at Mennonite Farmhouse. And there is more information in the description box below. And I'll chat with you more about this later. So let's make this pie first. All right, in this pie crust, what I have is 1.5 cups of pretzels. I mean, I used some big pretzels. I took those and I took 12 Lorna Doone shortbread cookies. These guys, 12 of these. I put them in my food processor, mixed them all up, and then I added in 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. So 6 tablespoons of butter, heated it up, let it melt, and added that to the food processor until it kind of got like this and, you know, like crumbly. And then I just pressed it into this pan, and I forgot to video any of it, but that's okay. There you go. That's what you do, guys. All right, the next step is you get melted caramel, and you want to kind of put that over the bottom of your crust. It said drizzle. As you can see, I did more than a drizzle, but 5 tablespoons. So that's what I did, 5 tablespoons, and just kind of spread that over the bottom of this crust. Now I'm going to get this in the freezer while I get that filling made. All right, now on to the filling. All right, here we have 1 softened stick of cream cheese, and I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of Nutella to this. And I'm also going to add in 7 ounces or 1, of the smaller containers of marshmallow cream. All right, next we're going to add in 1 carton of Cool Whip topping. We're going to kind of fold this in. And we're also going to add in 1 cup of marshmallows, and we're going to fold these in. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull our crust out and get this put in there, and I'll be back with you. All right, so while I'm scooping all of this goodness into this pie crust, let me tell you a little bit about this collaboration that's going on. So down in the description box, you will see a whole list and schedule of content creators that are sharing out pie recipes for this month. And you want to make sure that you go watch all of those, leave a thoughtful comment, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this one too. But you'll do that, and then the first week of April, there's going to be a giveaway. They're giving away 1 $100 gift card, 2 $50 gift cards, and lots of other great prizes. So make sure to check that out. Now let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for at least 3 hours. Now, as if this pie couldn't get any better, here's what you see me doing now. I am taking 2 tablespoons of caramel that's been melted, and I'm drizzling it over the top as best as I can. Now, the kind of caramel that I used was the kind that you use for apples that you get over in the produce section. And I would imagine you could use like ice cream caramel or something. I don't know that they had, apple caramel in mind. when they had written this recipe. And the recipe comes from a Taste of Home magazine, by the way. I will put the recipe down in the description box down below for you all. But yeah, this is caramel melted. It's amazing. All right, let's do the next step. All right, next we're going to put some Snickers on here. All right, now for these Snickers, we used the miniature Snickers, and you want to cut them long ways and then slice them. And you can see like there's a full slice, but when they're cut in half, I don't know, it kind of works out a little bit better. My husband and I were debating on which size would be most appropriate. I opt for the smaller size of these, and I didn't think we should have that many, but here's what he did to it. He wanted a lot of Snickers on there. So add as many Snickers as you like. It definitely makes it even more amazing than it already is. And what you're going to see me doing next is trying to gracefully cut into this pie. I could not find my pie scooper thing, so I cut out 2 pieces just so I wouldn't destroy them for you guys, so that you could see what it looks like once it's on the plate. And it is amazing. So here we go. The crust holds up really nicely on this. And I have to say, that crust combination of the shortbread plus the pretzels is just perfect. I think it's just a perfect combo to go with this pie. Everybody in the family is loving this, but it's super rich. You won't eat a piece this size, just saying. That's not going to happen because it is such a rich and sweet pie, but it will definitely win over everybody. I mean, everybody loved this pie. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll have the recipe down below. Don't forget to watch the other content creators' yummy pie videos this month. So many great ideas. And don't forget, there's going to be a giveaway. It'll be the first week of April. I'm not sure of the day, but you can probably check the description box, and then also check out Mennonite Farmhouse and Tony over at Kettle Kitchen, because they should have information on their channels too. Thanks for watching, and until I see you next time, everyone, keep your joy, folks.